Hello traders, how was the day today? So let us go through the plan that we had in the morning and then we will go through the different trades that we took. So the primary plan was that in order to go short, we need to get down below this bar 1 of the ATH chart, right? And that was around the 83.25 line. That did not happen in the morning. So we were thinking that we may come down to this balance zone and then keep going up to the upside. The other idea was if we break down this balance zone, we take resistance here again and we come down to the bottom of the TR. That happened towards the end of the day. And the other idea was that we may come down straight from wherever we were opening. We may do inverted head and shoulders and get back up again. Now let us get back to the chart and see what are the trades that we took. So since my resistance area was right here, I did not trade anything on bar 1 and bar 2. Bar 3 actually came and closed below the bar 1. I was thinking that maybe this will become the high of the day, but I wanted to see another candle, a follow through below this, which never came. And then we went long above bar number 7. This bar number 7 was the first entry long, the second entry long. And I was looking to find if we could get 10 to 20 points from here, which was around 5614. So I was thinking that we could get 10 to 20 points above bar number 7. I did take some profit at 5712 because that was the 30 minutes ORB, the opening range breakout of the first 30 minutes. That was the target. And then I was holding my runner. I was thinking that it may get up to the 22 level. That was one of my targets. But when we started to get this bar, I came out at 5714 below bar number 22. Now this bar came down straight. This was the first entry short, so there was nothing that we could do. This bar went back up and then we got a follow through towards the bearish side. I shorted here again below this bar number 27, and again I was thinking that we should get somewhere around 10 to 20 points. So 10 points from 5707 brings us to 5697 and then to 5687. We did get the 5697 target, but then I was holding a runner. When I saw this big bar, I actually put my stop loss right above this. It did not get taken out this time, but when this candle happened, we got my stop loss got taken out. So again, after this new high, we had our first entry short. Our second entry short was below bar number 42. Since we could not get above this resistance area, we shorted below bar number 42 again and was looking for if we could get 10 points. And we did get the 10 points here, and that was the exit. Another short that we took, we did not take any of the longs here because nothing was taking out any of the prior highs, or there was not enough follow through that we were looking. If you see again, the bears trapped the bulls here, came back down, and this time we were actually looking for a 1:1 on the downside, and we got that 1:1 on the downside for this bar, and 77.5 was our exit. After that, I was waiting for a reversal to happen actually, because bar number 40 to 50 is where the reversal happens. We were in a very tight trading range in this area, but bar number 59 actually broke out of it. We went long above bar number 59 again. Once we went long above bar number 59, I was trying to find out if we could get to 10 points from 85.5, and we got the 10 points and I came out here again. I scalped a little bit on the long side here, but after this candle happened, we again went short below bar number 73. And this time we actually got the close of yesterday target, but I did come out at the 5272 area because we were already around 4 o'clock and I did not want to hold on to the contract. And if I had held on after this, see where it went back up. So on the daily chart, we have a doji here. And if we try to look at the RTH 24-hour chart, we also have a doji here. The only difference is on the ATH, we have a bullish doji, and on the RTH, we have a bearish doji. So overall, we are in a trading range at this point. If you see, we did have a wedge here and the wedge did not hold. So tomorrow, again, if we are going back up in the trading range, we will have to see that this wedge is holding, and we are trying to get above to a new all-time high. So we will discuss that in the second video when I come up with the expectations for tomorrow. We will discuss all the levels. That is all I have for now. Please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.